Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Hellofresh account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up your app on your mobile device and sign into your account. Now, once you've signed into your account, we want to go ahead and click on the profile button on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Then you should see your profile name here with your boxes and credits. Now, in order to cancel or delete your HelloFresh account, we want to basically click onto the contact us under support because they don't have a direct way to deleting your account, so we've only got the option of logging out. So in saying that, go ahead and click onto contact us. And now basically it says here, have a question, type your question into our virtual assistant, Freshie, who will help you find an answer, or you can live chat with one of our friendly customer service agents. Now, if you prefer to speak to them over the phone, you can give them a buzz on that number. So that number is going to be regional specific to where you're located. So basically go ahead and click on the little chat bot and you're going to speak to the virtual assistant. Now from here, basically say, hey, I would like my account deleted, my HelloFresh account deleted. Can you please help me with that? And then what they'll do, they'll just go through the process of helping you delete your account. You might even be redirected to a live chat assistant. Now, if you've got any remaining credits or anything like that, that will be refunded back to your account as well. So just go through the process, speaking to them,